Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Salesforce to integrate with RingCentral for calls. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Salesforce login page. Enter your Salesforce credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Setup from the drop-down menu. In the Setup menu, look for the Quick Find box on the left side of the page. Type App Manager in the Quick Find box and select it from the results. In the App Manager, click on the New Connected App button in the upper right corner. Fill in the basic information for your app, such as the name and email address. Navigate to the API, Enable OAuth Settings section. Check the box that says Enable OAuth Settings. In the callback URL field, enter the URL provided by RingCentral for under selected OAuth scopes, add the following permissions: access and manage your data, API, and perform requests on your behalf at any time, refresh_token, offline_access. Click on the Save button to create your connected app. After saving, you will be redirected to the app's detail page. Make a note of the consumer key and consumer secret displayed on this page. Open a new tab in your web browser and log in to your RingCentral account. Navigate to the RingCentral Developer Portal. Select Apps from the menu and choose Create App. Follow the prompts to create a new integration with Salesforce. In the integration settings, enter the consumer key and consumer secret from your Salesforce connected app. Press the Authorize button to allow RingCentral to access your Salesforce account. Complete any additional required fields based on your specific configuration. Once finished, click Save to finalize your integration. Return to your Salesforce account and navigate back to Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Installed Packages and select it. Click on the Install Package button. Enter the installation URL for the RingCentral package. Follow the prompts to complete the installation in Salesforce. After installation, return to the RingCentral app in Salesforce. Test the integration by making a call and checking for call logs in Salesforce. Make any necessary adjustments to your integration settings based on your preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.